Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device is signed into the Apple ID you use for purchases. This links balances and purchases. Once done, open Wallet and tap the plus button to reveal Redeem Gift Card or Code. That's the first action. Make sure you have the physical card or emailed code and your camera ready to scan. If you prefer, type the code manually. These steps add the card to Wallet so the balance can be used instantly for App Store and Apple purchases. Now you scan or enter the code. Select Redeem Gift Card, then aim the camera at the printed or on-screen code. It reads automatically. If scan fails, tap Enter Code manually and type exactly, including hyphens if shown. After redemption, Wallet updates your Apple ID balance. Make sure you see the new total in Settings or App Store. If the card arrived via email, open the email on the same device and tap Redeem, so the code populates without switching devices. Finish by using the balance. At checkout in App Store or on-device purchases, choose Apple ID balance as your payment method to apply funds. Once used, confirm the transaction reflected the new balance. If the balance doesn't appear, restart the device, check for iOS updates, or sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh. If issues persist, gather the gift card code and purchase receipt, then contact Apple support. They can verify and resolve redemption errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.